Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning modern music player UI design in Figma, using templates and tools to save you a ton of time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get a professional-looking music player interface ready for your next app or design project, and you'll do it way faster than starting completely from scratch. Whether you're building your first UI or looking for some fresh Figma inspiration, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, here's the real-time saver. Instead of laboriously designing every little component from a blank canvas, we're going to harness Figma's rich world of templates and built-in tools. This is just like grabbing a blueprint rather than laying every single brick yourself. And trust me, even advanced designers do this to speed up their workflow and spark creative ideas. So to kick things off, open up Figma and head over to the Community tab or the Templates section. In the search bar, type Modern Music Player UI Design. This is where you'll find a variety of beautifully pre-made designs created by talented creators from around the world. Now you might see quite a few options pop up in here where you personalize the experience. Scroll through and take a closer look at the Modern Music Player UI designs available. Each template might have a slightly different vibe, color scheme, or layout, so pick one that stands out to you or matches the tone you're going for in your app. Once you find one you like, just click to open it directly in Figma. This step is super important because selecting the right starting point can make your customization process smoother and more enjoyable. With the template open in Figma, you're ready to bring your unique style into the mix. Feel free to customize anything you want, from album art areas and playback controls to the color palette, typography, or background shapes. Think of this like moving into a new home. The structure is already there, but you get to rearrange the furniture, add your own decorations, and really make it feel like yours. Don't be afraid to experiment with swapping in your own buttons, icons, or images. Want to try a bold color scheme or incorporate your app's branding? Go for it. And remember, you can always undo changes if something doesn't look right, so play around and have fun with it. If you need to use specific assets, like your company logo or custom icons, just copy them over and paste them into your template file. Figma makes it super simple to drag elements from one file to another. Now, once you're happy with your customized music player UI, you can easily copy this design into your main project and use it in your own modern app. Whether it's for a side project, a portfolio piece, or an actual production app, this approach saves you hours and gives you a polished base to build on. Plus, because it's customizable, you can adjust all the little details until it's exactly what you need. And just like that, you've learned how to make a modern music player UI design in Figma using smart tools and resources. If any part seem tricky, don't worry, practice makes perfect, and Figma is all about exploring what's possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button to let me know and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another design you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips, inspiration, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.